Now remember, there is a guideline that some states can have in their restaurants only people who have their vaccine passports, which means if you have got both your doses done. India Today's Milan Sharma did a ground check in national capital Delhi's restaurants. Are restaurants really accepting or even asking about your vaccine passport, or are they giving permission to any and everyone? Take a look.
Crowded markets, busy streets, buzzing restaurants, Delhiites shopping, eating, celebrating. Apart from national and international airports, the hue and cry over vaccine passports has no takers. While countries in Europe and UK are trying to make vaccines mandatory to enjoy visiting restaurants and outdoor spaces, restaurants across Delhi almost never ask visitors if they have been vaccinated or not. We visited a few restaurants in the heart of Delhi. As we walked up the stairs of the first, there was no thermal checking, no sanitizing. When confronted by our camera, the restaurant manager had this to say.
We are checking Arogya Setu and everything that when the guest enters.
But I entered, nobody asked me for my vaccine passport or anything.
Ma'am, I apologize, but I just want to have a word with the ladies because they got scared with the camera. That's the very reason they ran away and they told me, sir.
Camera is scaring everybody.
No, not everybody, the ladies, because they are not like, that's the very reason.
We asked patrons around if they were asked for their vaccine certificates.
People who enter, do they have to show how many vaccine doses they have taken or vaccines?
They never asked me anything of the sort. Why only the restaurants or other things are considering that people are partying and all? What about the rallies? Why don't they stop them?
Similar scenes played out in yet another restaurant. When confronted, the restaurant management reasoned that its staff are vaccinated.
So are you insisting on people having 2 doses of vaccines before they enter?
We are checked, but ma'am, like it's on a weekends, like it's not possible to check for everyone.
Many restaurants, including posh ones, have abandoned the practice in vogue during the earlier waves, dropping their guards.
कोविड चल रहा है, क्या आप लोगों से वैक्सीन लगाई है नहीं पूछ रहे हैं आने से पहले?
अभी तो नहीं पूछे, लेकिन पहले जरूर पूछते हैं.
Some even say the food and beverage business has suffered the most. Refusing entry to customers on this ground will only hurt more.
But yes, after COVID, people start coming by slowly and gradually. Even, we are not getting too much of sale, but yes, we need people to come in industry. So this industry can grow again.
Afraid but fatigued during the pandemic and lockdowns, many just want to gather and party.
जाहिर सी बात है, अभी सब कुछ खुल गया है. बहुत टाइम से हम बंद में थे, तो सबका मन होता है लाइक क्रिसमस आ रहा है, न्यू ईयर है, तो सभी पार्टी के मूड में. इनफैक्ट 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम कंप्लीट में, 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम कंप्लीट में, सब बच्चों का ऐसा लगता है कि पापा होके आते हैं, चलो. बट स्टिल वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल.
While the government wants caution, crowded markets and restaurants are into anything but muted celebrations.
India seems to have forgotten the rule of checking 2 vaccination doses for people who are fully vaccinated in public places. With Pradeep